Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now I have a question for you. What if there's a program wherein you just need to save for 2 years and then you will get guaranteed income for the rest of your life? Yes, tama yung narinig nyo. That's what I will be sharing with you today. Our product called A-Life Prime here in AIA. So yes, ano yung meron kay A-Life Prime? It's an endowment program wherein after you save for 2 years, so this year and then next year, you will receive guaranteed money. We will pay you guaranteed money for the rest of your life. So endowment plan siya, may mga different features siya. So it's like our recent A+ signature, pero this time ito 2 years lang. No, limited pay endowment, 2 years ka lang bubayad, and then you get guaranteed cash payout every 2 years for the rest of your life. And then guaranteed life insurance coverage after paying, guaranteed insured ka na for life. And then guaranteed na 2 years payment period only. So 2 years ka lang magbabayad, guaranteed yun. Hindi mo na kailangan magdagdag in the future. Hindi siya VUL. This is not a VUL. So sigurado yung payment period. Alright? So yung A-Life Prime, 10% ng whatever face amount yung matatanggap mo as cash payout. So the minimum face amount is 1 million. So 10% nun, 100,000. So makakatanggap ka ng 100,000 every 2 years. Kailan lang start? Starting at the end of year 2. So nagbayad ka today, nagbayad ka next year. After 12 months, you receive your first payout at the end of year 2. Every 2 years for the rest of your life or for the rest of the life of the insured kung ang i-insure mo yung anak mo. So magkano ito? Yun lang naman yung gusto nating malaman dito. Diba? For a 1 million coverage, you get 200% life insurance. So 2 million life insurance yung meron ka kung ikaw yung insured. Alright? All in all, if you can see in this, ginawang ko yung sarili ko ng quotation, 38-year-old male. That's 1,131,230 pesos. Right? This year nagbayad ka, next year magbabayad ka ulit. So parang 2.2 million. Alright? Then starting 2 years from now, no? So magkaka-receive ka ng guaranteed payout na 10% of the face amount, which is 1 million times 10%, 100,000 every 2 years for the rest of your life. Alright? So ganun siya kasimple. Diba? So again, 200% ng face amount yung life insurance benefit. Alright? Or yung total amount na naibayad mo, right? Less payouts, whichever is higher. So kung mapapansin mo kasi kanina, di ba, parang magiging mas mataas yung 2 years na payment kasi sa 2 million. So example, pakita ko sa iyo yung what if yung anak ko yung kukuhanan ko, yung gagawin kong insured. 4-year-old male, pag siya yung insured, mas mura. 1,050,530 lang. Diba? So, tapos insured siya the same, 2 million pesos life insurance. Yung payout the same, 100,000. So, mas maganda kung bata sana. Alright? And then, pero kung titignan mo, 1,050,000 times 2, that's 2.1 million. Yung life insurance mo, 2 million lang. So, parang may lugi, diba? So, that's why, ginawang total deposits less wherever yung payout mo. No? So, kung hindi ka pa naka-payout, 2.1 million yung naibayad mo. In case of death, biglaan, 2.1 million yung makukuha. So, walang talo. Whichever is higher, kung magkano yung total na ibayad mo, or 2 million pesos, whichever is higher, yun yung makukuha. Right? Of course, less, yung total deposits, less yung payouts na nakuha mo, which is 100,000, alright, sa first 2 years, and then 2 years thereafter, or 2 million, alright, hindi na bababa ng 2 million. Kahit nagkaroon ka ng multiple payouts. So, kasama yun sa magiging total na marireceive mo. Alright? So, mananotice mo rin na yung annual payment sa ganitong plan mas cheaper kesa sa semi-annual, quarterly, or monthly. So, kung kaya, i-annual natin. Diba? Meron ding non-guaranteed dividends yung A-Life Prime. So, every year, right, whatever maging performance nung funds na minamanage, alright, pwede pang makareceive ng dividends. Isi-share siya sa lahat ng mga nagpasok at bumili ng ganitong klaseng product. Alright? Although not guaranteed siya kasi there may be years na possibly walang dividends or masyadong malaki yung expenses, masyadong maraming nag-claim because of death, etc. But in most cases, they will have dividends. Hindi lang guaranteed kung ano yung return. So for now, in most of our quotations, it's playing between 2.9% to 3.9% per annum. So not bad na rin, considering meron ka pang payouts every 2 years. So ideally, you leave it to accumulate interest. Tapos kukunin mo siya, let's say, during your retirement or 10, 20 years from now para mas lumaki siya. And then keep the policy alive para tuloy-tuloy yung payout mo every 2 years. So the minimum face amount as of now is 1 million pesos. So yun yung pinakamababa. 10% of which, yun yung payout every 2 years. Mag-i-start at the end of year 2. Alright, who can avail? An owner, a policy owner can start from 18 years old up to age 99. Kahit hindi na insurable, let's say we're older, a little bit older, pwedeng ikaw ang insured and then your son, your daughter, or your grandson, your granddaughter, apo mo, yung gagawin nating insured, pwede yun. Because the proposed insured can be from age 0 to age 70. Alright, so depende sa'yo kung sino yung gusto mong insured, ikaw or someone in your family. Kung namamahalan ka or nabibigatan ka dun sa 2 years, alright, 1 million, 1.1 million ka agad, so medyo mabigat. There's another option, yung 5 years to pay, pero dun tayo sa A+ signature. Alright, so A+ signature, tinignan ko for my age at age 38, with the same benefit, 1 million face amount, 100,000 yung payout every 2 years, and then 2 million yung life insurance. Ang premium niya is only 452,940. The only difference is that the payout will start at the end of the year 5. So, pag natapos mo muna yung payment period. At the end of year 5, after 12 months, dun mo matatanggap yung first payout. And then every 2 years yun, habang buhay, no, yung insured. Now, kung yung anak yung insured, for example, in this case, my son, 4 years old, mas mura pa. Instead of 452,000, 428,652.54 na lang. So, mas mura pa. So, if I would want na siya yung insured, alright, para mas mahaba yung payout, right, matapos ko yung payout, tuloy-tuloy pa rin makakatanggap yung anak ko every 2 years, right, for the rest of his life. Ang mangyayari lang yun upon death of the policy owner, kung iba yung owner sa insured, alright, malilipat lang yung ownership dun sa insured, tapos tuloy-tuloy pa rin niya matatanggap every 2 years yung payout habang buhay siya. Imagine kung 4 years old siya, 5 years from now, 9 years old siya. So age 9, tatanggap na siya, pwede yung pang education niya, age 11, age 13, so grade school, high school, senior high, pwede niya magamit for education, pwedeng pang college, pwedeng pang postgraduate. No, hanggang magkatrabaho siya, nakakatanggap siya. So napakagandang legacy and pamana, no, na imagine, pwedeng wala na yung bumili ng plan, yung policy owner, naaalala niya pa rin si daddy or si lolo, si lola, si mommy, na bumili ng plan para sa kanya. Napakagandang pamana at regalo para sa mga apo, para sa mga anak. If you are interested to have a quotation, just go to my Facebook page and message me your details, your full name, your birth date, occupation and mobile number, and then kung magkanong face amount, 1 million ba or higher, let me know. Alright, just go to facebook.com/DJ Dimaliwat Official or find me, just search DJ Dimaliwat and send me a message so that I can also assist you. So that's just how good this product is. If you're interested, let me know. See you again in my next video.